Introducing the Canon Extreme High Volume Air Blowgun from Coilhose Pneumatics. Sweeping is slow and messy. Combined with a toe-behind compressor, the Canon clears dirt and sand quickly and easily. Safer than using a pipe and ball valve, the Canon even clears up heavy rubble like gravel and rock, making big job cleanups effortless. Traditional methods of cleaning cracks are not effective, but the Canon can remove debris in seconds. The Canon is lightweight to reduce operator fatigue and features the Extreme Ease trigger, safe but easy to activate. A retrofit trigger kit is also available, making it easier to operate the gun while wearing gloves. The Canon blowgun removes dust and debris, cleans and dries equipment, and blows off surfaces. The Canon is excellent for use in bridge and road construction, paper and steel mills, agriculture, lumber yards and railroads, and heavy equipment cleaning. The Coilhose Canon blowgun. Learn more at www.coilhose.com.